나도 아파요. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in the red letter is 나도. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 나도. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 168. 나도. 나도. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is na, the second syllable is do. Pronounce it with me. 나도. 나도. The word 나도 simply means me too. Remember, na means me and do is used to add to in a phrase. So, 나도 means me too. How do we write 나도 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable na in Hangul, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an a character. For the second syllable do, we need to draw first a dikut character followed by an o character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word 나도. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I'm sick too. Again, I'm sick too. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나도 아파요. Again, it's 나도 아파요. The word 나도 is our word for today, and we already know that it means me too. The second part of the sentence is 아파요. This is already discussed in this channel, and we already know that it means it hurts or I'm sick. So, if we combine these two, it would result to a sentence that means me too is sick. Or it could be put up as I'm sick too. Looking back to this, which is shown at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase or sentence 나도 아파요 is simply I'm sick too. And with that, you've just learned 나도. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 158 to 167. But don't forget our word for today, word number 168, 나도, which means me too. Word number 167 is 아기, and this is the Korean noun for baby. Word number 166 is 오늘도, which means today too. Word number 165 is 돌아와, and this is used to say come back. Word number 164 is haru, and this is the Korean noun for a day. Word number 163 is 바보, and this is an adjective which means dumb or fool. Word number 162 is 별, and this is the Korean noun for a star. Word number 161 is 약속, and this is the Korean noun for promise. Word number 160 is 영원히, and this is an adverb of time which means forever. Word number 159 is Hajima, and this is the counterpart of but, which is used as a conjunction. And the last for our review is word number 158, kuriku. This is the counterpart of and or enden, which is used as conjunction. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.